Alright, good afternoon everyone. So once again, nandito tayo sa grand callback ng Mr. of Filipinas 2024 and kasama natin ang isa sa mga aspirants. Introduce yourself muna.
Hello everyone, I am Francis Cervantes Manawan, or you can call me shortly Dos. And I am currently living here in Baco, Manila. But I am actually representing the province of Pangasinan, the city of San Carlos City.
Okay, so Francis, is this your first national pageant?
It is actually my first pageant. It is really giving me a kaba, in short.
So speaking of kaba, of course, kamusta yung preparation mo this year?
It's actually really good. Actually, I am a part of a non-profitable organization, which is the JCI Mahati, or the Junior Chamber International Mahati, that gives a help to other people, a sustainability, such the children with HIV and cancer. And I believe that helping other people is a great worth of life. And I really pushing myself towards my limit, create a positive impact, and of course, a positive change for our nation.
Okay, so Francis, tell us more something about yourself naman. Do you still study? Working ka na ba?
Actually, nag-stop ako ng studies ko right now. Pero I am really go pa rin sa studies ko after ng work. Because I am sustaining my family, my needs also. And yes,
So what are you taking up?
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management in
Okay.
Pangasinan State University.
Okay. So of course, good luck.
Yes,
Hoping
thank
na
you. Thank you so
mapabilang ka sa official candidates this year na Mr. sa Filipinas. So once again guys, we have with us Francis Cervantes from the city of San Carlos, province of Pangasinan.
much.